we pronounce these words? Sheep, sheep, shape. Most people can't. But in this video, you will master all the English vowel sounds. I will teach you all the English vowel sounds. You will learn how to pronounce each of these sounds, including monophthong and diphthong. And you will see example of words where these sounds are used. Now, what is a vowel sound? A vowel sound is a speech sound produced without blocking of the air flow. That means the airflow will not be obstructed when you are pronouncing them. We have two types. We have monophthong, we call it pure vowel sounds, and diphthongs, we call them gliding sounds. I will explain more of that diphthong when we get to that. Now let's start with monophthong. Please, as I pronounce this sound, you repeat after me. Even when I say the examples, repeat after me. How do we pronounce this sound? It's a long E sound. Remember, we are going to pronounce all the sounds according to the way they are arranged in vowel chart. The way they are arranged in vowel chart. So we are starting with E. It's a long vowel sound. As we pronounce this sound, the mouth is open and the lips are spread. E. E. As in sheep. Sheep. I transcribe them so that it will help you in the pronunciation. Seat. Seat. Leave. Leave. Okay. Then the second one is short. Short is sound. Remember, this is long, but this is short. How do we pronounce it? Your mouth will still be open and the lips spread, but the only difference is that it is short. So you pronounce it A. A. Sheep. Sheep. Sit. Sit. Leave. Leave. Now the next one is air. Air sound. How do we pronounce this sound? Your mouth will also be open and your lips spread. So listen as I pronounce it. Air. Air. Pen. Pen. Bed. Bed. 10. 10. The next one is ah. Please, your mouth will be spread and your lips, your mouth should be spread and your lips open as we pronounce this sound. Your mouth will be wide or your lips. Okay. Ah. Ah. Remember, ah. Ah. We have cat. Cat. Bag. Bag. Man. Man. The next one, this is a relaxed central sound. Again, a relaxed central sound. That means you relax your mouth while you are pronouncing these words. As in cow. Cow. Love. Love. Sun. Sun. Then the next one is R sound, but it's deeper. This one is a deeper sound than this. When you want to pronounce this sound, your lips begins to round. Instead of spreading wide like this, it will begin to round. It's pronounced ah, ah, car, car, father, father, start, start. That is how to pronounce it. Start. Okay, the next one is oh. In this sound, your lips are rounded. That means you make your lips round when you want to pronounce the sound. Oh. I hope you are still looking at my lips. They are very important. Oh. Oh. As in dog. Dog. Heart. 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 Box. Box. The next one is long O sound. You pronounce it the same way, but this one is long, while this one is short. You pronounce this as as in door, door, more, call, call. Okay, then this one is O sound. When you want to pronounce it, your lips will also be round. Your lips will be rounded if you want to pronounce this. So pronounce after me. O, O, as in book, book, pot, pot, full, full. The next one is pronounced in two ways. Ooh or ew. Ooh. Ew. Remember, two ways. Ooh. Ew is long. But just as in this one, your lips will be round as you pronounce it. But this one is longer. So we see it in words like food, food, school, school, blue, blue. Then the next one, this is central stress sound. Again, central stress sound. We pronounce it as in bird, bird, girl, girl, work, work. The next one, we call it schwa sound. Again, very important, schwa sound. Now, it is a very weak unstressed sound in English language. It is weak and unstressed. When you pronounce them, you don't usually stress them. For example, we see it in, okay, how do we pronounce it? Remember I said it's a weak, unstressed sound. A weak, unstressed sound. You pronounce it as in about. You see, when I pronounce this way, it will be as if this sound is not pronounced. About. Remember to repeat after me. About. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Around, round. Okay, now please, if you are seeing value in this, please subscribe for more and then click like, share to your friends so that they too will gain from this. Now we are moving over to diphthongs. Remember I said they are called gliding sounds. Why do we call them gliding sounds? Because as we pronounce them, remember there are two sounds in one. There are two pronounced as one. That is why it's called diphthongs. And when you want to pronounce them, the tongue will move from the position of the first sound to the second sound. That is why we call them gliding sounds. So we are starting with A. Say it. A. We have face. Face. They. They. Say. Say. Then we have I. Remember, the tongue moved from A to E. I. As in time. Time. My. My. Five. Five. Then the next one is oil. The mouth will move from, or the tongue will move from the position of O to E. Oil. Boy. Boy. Toy. Toy. Coin. Coin. Owl. From A to O. Owl. We have, okay, pronounce after me. Owl. Owl. We have now. Now. House. House. Then we have from O to O. 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 Go. Go. Home. Home. No. No. The next one is ear. Ear, as in your ear. See it here. Ear. Ear. Here. Here. Near. Near. Then we have air, from E to A. Air. Air, as in the air you breathe. Air. Air. Care. Care. Share. Share. Okay. Then we have, remember, share. Okay. We have from O to A. That is the short sound. Poor. Poor. Sure. Sure. Tall. Tall. Okay. Now that you have learned all the vowel sounds, I want you to make your time daily to learn them so as to improve in your pronunciation. Like I said before, if you have found value in this lesson, please subscribe, share to your friends, and you know when you subscribe, you have to put your notification on so that you will see others, and then click like and make your comment. Thank you for staying with us.